Hey guys, welcome to my channel Study Blossoms. I hope you all are doing great. Guys, in the previous video, we have completed the topic electric field due to point charge. I know that it's been a while I've posted any video. Actually, I was a bit busy these days, so I was not regular. But from now onwards, I'll try to be regular. Every week I'll post 2 to 3 videos regularly and help you guys to achieve your goals. In this video, we'll be doing physics topic electric field due to system of point charges. It's quite an important topic from your examination point of view. So, pay your 100% attention to this topic and let's go. Let us consider a point charge Q0 placed anywhere. Now suppose there are some charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 applying electric field on this particular charge. These charges are applying their electric fields to this charge. E1 vector, E2 vector, E3 vector and E4 vector. As we all know how to calculate the sum of electric fields, we'll simply add these electric fields. E1 vector plus E2 vector plus E3 vector plus E4 vector up till En. This is the formula for summing up the electric fields to know the total. As you know, the formula for electric field is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. We'll apply that formula here. E1 is equals to Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. E2 is equals to Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. E3 is equals to Q3 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. And E4 is equals to Q4 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Now we'll apply these values in this formula. This is what we got after applying these values in this formula. Now we'll take out the values out in a bracket which are common. इसमें जितनी भी हमारी कॉमन वैल्यूज़ हैं उन्हें हम बाहर ले लेंगे और जो नहीं है उन्हें ब्रैकेट में एनक्लोज कर देंगे. जस्ट लाइक दिस. E इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ये वैल्यू सब में कॉमन है और ब्रैकेट में हमारा क्या आएगा? Q1 अपॉन में R1 का स्क्वायर प्लस Q2 अपॉन R2 का स्क्वायर प्लस Q3 अपॉन R3 का स्क्वायर प्लस Q4 अपॉन 4 पाई, ये तो हमने कॉमन ले लिया है, तो R4 का स्क्वायर प्लस Qn अपॉन Rn का स्क्वायर. सिंपली ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी. एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू सिस्टम ऑफ पॉइंट चार्जेस. यही डेरिवेशन है पूरा. अगर आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में आएगा तो आपको एज इट इज़ यही कॉपी करना है. सीरियसली गाइज, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक. इसमें बस आपको सम करना है और ये वैल्यूज़ पुट करनी है और ये वैल्यूज़ तो हमें पता ही हैं बाय फॉर्मूला ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. तो हम सिंपली ये वैल्यू लगाकर और ये अपनी जो हमें चाहिए वो हम निकाल लेंगे. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. In this video only, we learn about what are electric field lines. So, electric field lines are the imaginary lines in which electric fields tend to move. ये एक imaginary lines हैं जिसमें electric field move करती है. हमें actually नहीं पता, it's just imaginary. इसका representation देख लेते हैं. If a charge is a point charge, for example, plus Q charge, and if that Q is greater than 0, then the electric fields would be radially outwards. As you can see here, Q is greater than 0, so the electric field lines are moving radially outwards. And if the Q charge is smaller than 0, then the electric field lines would be radially inwards. This is the only difference. If Q is greater, outwards, and if Q is smaller, then it will be radially inwards. Next is for a dipole. Dipole for unlike charges minus Q and plus Q charge. So it will move from this direction to the another direction. It will move from north to south direction, and from this part you can see that it's moving outside from here and inside from this side. You can see it very clearly. It's moving like this. Simple. Next we'll be doing for the similar charges. If our charges are similar, then they will repel each other. As you can see, the electric field lines are also repelling. They are changing their directions. And the central point is called the neutral point. न्यूट्रल पॉइंट वो पॉइंट है जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नहीं होगी. बाकी सारी तो डेविएट हो गई हैं, उन्होंने अपनी डायरेक्शंस चेंज कर ली हैं. तो जब बीच का पॉइंट रह जाएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रल पॉइंट. नाउ इफ Q1 इज ग्रेटर देन Q2, देन जो एक पार्ट है वो छोटा होगा Q2 का, और जो Q1 बड़ा है उसका ये वाला जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वाला पार्ट है वो बड़ा होगा स्लाइटली. यूनिफॉर्म है अगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, देन the electric field lines will move from the positive charge to the negative charge. It will not go anywhere else. It will simply go from the positive charge to the negative charge in a uniform electric field. You must know that what is an electric dipole. An electric dipole is a dipole carrying two charges, two unlike charges, minus Q and plus Q, with a distance of 2L. And to calculate the electric dipole moment, the formula is P is equals to Q into 2L. It's a very simple formula to learn and to apply. Dipole moment is asked many times in the board. You should learn this formula by heart and should understand the concepts. The main key to success in physics is only practice. There is no shortcut. You only have to practice and practice a lot. First, complete your NCERT, practice its questions, then change to another book, another side book, and practice as many asked questions as you can to succeed. So, that's all for today. I hope you have understood the concepts and this topic is clear to you. If any doubt, then do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for supporting me. Keep sharing. Keep watching. If you like my videos, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Study Blossoms. Thank you.